Welcome back to Skill Up Stand channel. This video is mainly targeting students. Okay, so there are a lot of questions in the YouTube channel comment section, and also some of you have directly reached out to me asking, I'm still a student and I would like to take some Microsoft certification courses and examinations for free, and also you want to practice some online Microsoft technology products and services, and this particular session is mainly to address that. Okay, I'll help you to understand how you can appear for 8 different Microsoft certification courses and exams for free, both of them, both the courses as well as the exams. And okay, so these are all like this particular opportunity is valid until June 2023. Okay, I'll help you with how to go and get this free credit for practicing on the labs as well as getting the free exam voucher. Okay, as a student, you can register in one of the portal which I will be sharing in the video description. Okay, and once after you register, you have to go and learn for a few hours. For example, it is not limited to Microsoft Azure. Okay, Microsoft Azure is also covered, but beyond Microsoft Azure, there are other products like Dynamics 365 security, Microsoft 365 certification that you can pursue and complete. Okay, so you will also get $100 Azure credit if you're planning to appear for Azure examination, and you also have some self-directed learning which you can do from Microsoft Learn, and also you get hands-on lab where you can go and um, examine, or you can go and create configure services, and you can be better prepared for the certification exams and the interview. They also give you some practice test which on the Microsoft Learn portal itself, which you can try and test your skills, because like you might be appearing your first exams online. So before that, you can try and do some practice tests so that you can become familiar with the exam pattern and so on. And then you can schedule the online exam with Pearson or Prometric, and you can get the fundamental certification. So I'll help you to understand how this works um, so these are the links that I'm going to share with you. Okay, so there are different links for different geographical attendees. Okay, for example, if you're from let me show you. Yeah, if you're from UK, you have a different link to register, but if you're from other than UK, you have a separate link. I'll share both of the link. Okay, and see, for example, this is not limited to Azure, as I said earlier. So if you are interested in artificial intelligence or machine learning or natural language processing, you have this artificial intelligence fundamentals certification, as well as the course plus the exam, which you can register and appear and get the certification completed. Once you complete, you will get a badge like this. Similarly, you have 7 other certification: Azure Fundamentals, Security Fundamentals, Dynamics 365 CRM, where you will get to understand the marketing, sales, service and support lifecycle. You have the ERP, where you get to understand the business operation and finance related stuff. So there are a lot of interesting certification: Power Platform, Azure Data, Microsoft 365. So you can go and complete the certification. I'll share the link. Okay, once after you complete the certifications and the courses as well as the certification, you know what it is going to, how it is going to help you, right? So achieving the Microsoft certification can help you to stand out with the certification from others who are competing for the same job from your college or from other universities. So you get to qualify, because like the hiring companies or the hiring managers, generally they use certification as a criteria, or they ask like what are the different Microsoft courses or certification that you have completed. So you can showcase that you have completed these many courses and certification. That will definitely prove your technical know-how, and you can stand out from the rest of the crowd with the certification that you can complete. So you can go and complete up to 8 fundamental certification exams for free, okay, before June 2023. I'll give you the link. Okay, you can follow along the instructions. You can go and learn these courses, and as I told, it will take around 10 hours per course, and it's definitely a lot of informative stuff, and it is a good learning for you. And once after you are done with that, you can go and appear for exam by going to the Microsoft portal or the Pearson joint portal, and you can complete the examination. So if you're not going through the procedure that I'm sharing, you have to pay $100, close to $100 for each of the exams. So 8 exams, close to 8. So it will be $800 for you, right? So you can save the same amount by completing. Okay, so you can see that there are some ACE college credit that you can get. I'll share you this link, okay, which you can use for studying, as well as you will also get to understand how the exam score works and also the practice sandbox. You'll also get a lot of stuffs here. Okay, so you'll get some sample question, you'll get some study guide which you can refer for practicing yourself well. Okay, so here, other than that, you also have the Student Summit 2022, or even you'll have a lot of sessions that are scheduled for the next year. Okay, where there will be a lot of one-day virtual event happening in different geographical locations. If you are going to college and you don't have time during the daytime India time, so you can definitely register for some of the events that are happening in different time zone like UK or US, so that you can complete your college, and then in the evening you can try and attend these online webinars or some events that is happening across the globe. So I'll provide this link as well, and you can go and look at the different sessions that are there, and you can go and register for that based on the time zone. And you have these other options where you can go and participate in Microsoft developers thing, and you also have the options to go and apply for ambassador program from Microsoft. Okay, there is a program called Microsoft Ambassador which you can achieve. Okay, let me show you that. Yeah, so if you want to achieve this student ambassador alpha, beta, or gold stuff, you have a lot of already, like there are a lot of students and college graduates so who has completed the same programs, and you can also get to understand from those students on how they were able to achieve some of the gold learning category or the beta or the alpha category. So you can get to understand this, and then you can start providing your contributions, and then you can achieve that milestone. Okay, there are a lot of interesting stuff. There are a lot of opportunities to go and do an intern with Microsoft. You can definitely you can just apply for the student ambassador. You can update your profile, and there are ways on how to get that becoming a student ambassador. Okay, I'll provide this link. Okay, make use of the opportunity, and all the best with your examination, with the what do you call, the student certification, plus the labs that you're going to do as part of the learning journey. It's pretty simple. Okay, you can complete each certification in less than 2 weeks, because for learning you just need to spend 10 hours, and maybe for lab practices 2 to 3 hours, and within 2 weeks you will be able to appear for the exam. And you also get a lot of practice test questions which are available online. I'll also provide some reference links which you can follow along to practice yourself before you are appearing for the exam.